Girls. Girls. Rara. Girls. Tiana, look at Daddy. I think it's, look, Rara, look. Tiana. I think it's time to talk about the birds and the bees. What do you guys think? Is that how funny Daddy is?
They didn't know that conversation.
But look at her, baby. You have to see her. Anna, is it time for the bird and bees? Is that the noise that the guy and the girl do?
Oh, Adam.
Look at her. She just keeps smacking. So Tiana, so the birds and the bees, you ready? You want to know about it or not? All right, fine. Maybe later.